Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samira. Today's tutorial is an interesting one. I'll be teaching you guys sewing tips and tricks on how to cut and sew an A-line dress. Very easy steps. Please, you can hit the subscribe button to subscribe now. Turn on the notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial. You can share and drop a comment in the comment section below. Kindly watch this tutorial down to the end, guys, and you can also check my other tutorial on my channel. And don't forget, today I'll be using this gorgeous Duchess fabric. I'm using 1.5 yard of it. So guys, if you have your fabric there with you, you can bring it out. So let us get started now with our tutorial for the day, guys. Just keep on watching. Guys, I have my 1.5 years of material here, so I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to fold it. This kind of folding is called an A-line folding. So this is one of the tricks to fold your A-line style, especially if you have a small fabric. So I'll be folding it into 4 pieces. So that's what I'm trying to do now. So because why I'm folding it into 4 pieces, because I'm cutting the front and the back piece together. So this is one of the trick. If you have a small fabric, this is how to go about it when cutting your own. So just keep on watching down to the end. Now I've folded my fabric already into 4 pieces because I'm going to cut the front piece and the back piece all together. So that's what I'm showing you guys. So this is how to go about it. So I'll just go ahead now to draw a straight line. So that's where I'm going to place my. From my upper part, I will place my tape rule on the straight line. Then I'm going to measure 37 inches for my circumference, and I'll keep on measuring it round. Okay, so to get the length of my dress, so it's 37 inches. So I'll keep on measuring it round, as you can see me doing in the video. So don't forget, cutting the front and the back piece together, and you saw the trick that we use in folding the fabric. So this is how to cut and sew your A-line style that we are making today. So after that, I'll be dividing my shoulder by 2. My shoulder divided by 2 is 8 inches. Okay, at this point I'm going to go down by 7 inches to bring down my armhole. Then I'm going to rule it out. Okay, as you can see me doing in the video. So that's for my armhole. I'll be measuring 5 inches for my neck. Okay, after that I'm going to bring down the depth of my neck by 2.5 inches. I will just give a small curve for that. I'll go ahead now and mark 1 inch for my shoulder slope. Then I'll slope it with my ruler. At this point, on my half length, I will be marking 15 inches. So I'll continue to mark 15 inches for my half length. After that, I'll be measuring 40 inches for my bust, adding 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So I'm shifting my fabric. So that's my 40 inches for my bust measurement. Then I'm going to add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. Then I'll give a curve for my armhole. At this point, I'll go ahead and connect my marks from my bust to my hemline. So I'm sorry my camera is not showing that part, but I'm taking it down to my hemline. After that, on my back neck, I'm going to go down by 1.5 inches. That is for my back neck. So I'm going to just cut it out now. So I'm starting my cutting from my back neck. So after cutting it out, I'm going to go ahead over to my sewing machine. Okay, and I'm going to join my shoulders together and sew the size, that is the body measurements. Okay, so after cutting it, so I'll be taking it to my sewing machine to join them together. So guys, please keep on watching this tutorial down to the end. You can give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and also learn from it. Don't forget to give it more watch time, and you can also watch my other tutorials on my channel. Please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on notification bell to get notified so that you can see my next tutorial. So after this section, I'll be cutting my sleeve. So before then, I'm going to pull out my front neck. So I'm going to cut it out now. So that's what I'm showing you guys. I'm cutting the front. So I'm cutting my front neckline. So that's what I'm doing now. Please give this video more watch time. Please, you can hit the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. Don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial. You'll be the first to see. So guys, you can see the tips and tricks that we are using to make this simple A-line dress that we are cutting out today. You can see how neat the style is, the neckline also. After this section, I'll be cutting my sleeve. So I have my material here. I've folded it into two. So I'll just go ahead now to mark 8.5 inches for my sleeve length. Okay, so that's the 8.5 inches for my sleeve length. So I'll keep on marking 8.5 inches for my sleeve length. Okay, after that, I'll be measuring 1.5 inches for my armhole. Then I'll give a curve for that. Okay, so that's for my armhole curve. So at this point, I'll go ahead now to mark 7 inches for my round sleeve, but you can go more than that. It all depends on. So yours can be more than that. So I'll just go ahead now to connect the marks together. So after connecting it, I'm going to just cut it out. So after that, I'll be attaching my sleeve to my A-line dress, and I'm going to wear it out for you guys to see how beautiful the dress that we are making today came out. And guys, don't forget to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and you can watch this particular tutorial down to the end. You can give it a thumbs up. You can also comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial for today. So let's wear it out now. We have come to the end of today's sewing tutorial. Thank you for joining me. I hope you learned some tips and tricks on how to make this simple A-line dress that we made today. If you did, why not subscribe now? Turn the notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing upload. You'll be the first to see it and watch and learn from it. You can share with friends. You can also ask them to watch this particular tutorial down to the end. You can also let us know what you think about today's tutorial in the comment section below. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.